Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing okay. Hope people are making some good money out there and hoping people stay cool in the summer. So unfortunately, there's a little bit of bad news again with themes ETFs. So I'm trying to figure out like what's the holdup. So this is like their like another delay. So now this filing was done on July 11th, and it looks like they're trying to push back the I guess like the effectiveness date until like around like August 10th or so. And again, even in like that's not a guarantee. It just means like what if they change their mind again, or like if the SEC doesn't even approve it and things like that. So it's pretty annoying, because I think like right now there's a little bit of like there's I think there's enough volatility to kind of justify releasing a short volatility fund. So anyway, so I think it's quite a shame because there's nine ETFs that I think are that should be like ready to go. So you have like three Russell 2000, so like the three small caps. You have like the three Nasdaq related funds, and then you have like the three S&P 500 type funds. So just as a reminder, there's like a strangle and like different types of iron condor funds, and then the rest of them there's like a interesting VIX related cash secured put fund, that's interesting, and the rest of them are kind of like Mag 7ish type of funds. So I think you know hopefully they can work out the kinks or whatever the issue is, and I hope it's not like people taking vacation or things like that. So yeah, it's quite a shame. I think as a suggestion, I think it might be good to release like the strangle, either like the strangles or like the iron condor type of option ETFs first, because like so far, no one has released anything similar. Although I guess for the iron condors, like the THTA from Sophie sometimes might qualify for one, but it's not. I don't know if that'll be popular enough or interesting enough to the general public, because I think the themes ETFs, they have some like really interesting ideas here, but it's really a shame because Yield Max is keeps on coming out with new products, and then you have like the Granite shares yield boost potentially on the horizon too. So they gotta get this thing going. So sorry for the bad news. And if you like this type of content, please consider giving this a like, subscribe if you can. Thank you very much for watching, and have a good one. Bye now.